Okay, hi there, back again. Martin Mayhem's Retro Rundown, second part to the Batman video that I've been making. Skip through to the end. And this level is a bit tricky. I don't think I've ever completed this level, so I've got no idea what I'm doing. It's a lot harder, as you can see. I'm just taking damage at any given moment. Oh. Everything is trying to kill you, yeah. Everything's controlled using one fire button. And it's just one of those things on the Amiga that they could have mapped different fire buttons, but for whatever reason, I guess because most joysticks only had one fire button at the time, and so same again. Look, what's going on? Is that, yeah, Deathfall? Not sure that's the right way. I have to point out that I was why does my TV does this sometimes? Switches automatically from 4:3 resolution to aspect ratio, to back to widescreen. Not what you need when you're just getting completely shot at and pummeled. That's better. No tactical advantage whatsoever to swinging in. You can't, if you... I'm moaning about this game now, which I didn't want to do too much, but look at it. Look, no hope. No hope. That's why I had a bit of a pause in making this video. That's why it's in two parts. I played a couple of the levels as I skipped through. The ones I've missed out, unfortunately, are ones that I'm actually okay at, and we'll maybe skip back to those. Alright, nah, I can't take any more. And I can't escape out of this either. We'll just do a soft reset. Load it in again. Oh dear, oh dear. Hey Batman. This video isn't going as well as the first one. Well, as the first part. I might put it all together. Last time I tried to upload more than a 15-minute video, for some reason YouTube wouldn't let me do it, even though I'd been successfully doing it previously, but that's the way things go, I guess. Cheating. We start. Let's skip to where we left off. Hey, we'll skip the first level, skip through to the back cave. I showed you the driving stage. That's always exciting in the day. This is it's not quite as exciting, a bit more frustrating than exciting. Why didn't I just play Escape from the Planet of the Robot Monsters? Come on. But I guess thinking about it, really, the Amiga was, you know, going from a Spectrum to an Amiga, it's just like a whole completely different technology set, a different ball game altogether, and keep jigging the camera, sorry. And it was remarkable back then, the music and the graphics and everything about it. Everybody I knew pretty much had an Amiga. One person I knew had an Atari ST. Okay, so I know that one of those items has got the toxin in. So I reckon we could be there. You know, I've just played this just a minute ago, and there we go. I did it in 3 attempts just a minute ago. The next level, I just played through about 3 times, and it's tricky, much like everything else about this game. Oh, Martin Mayhem's moaning session. Not quite enough time to make a cup of tea, but there we go. Right, so in order to speed up, you have to hold the fire button and push forwards, and to slow down, hold the fire button and pull backwards. And then when you hit anything, you slow down, so then you have to speed up again, and you control, obviously, forward is down, back is up. It's aircraft control things. I'm playing this with a controller. I'm not sure it's the best for this kind of thing that you're doing. A joystick will probably be better. I do have a joystick, but it's not a great joystick. And then if you crash into the base, you lose life. If you crash into the balloon, you lose life. So you just got to aim for the rope or the cable, that the balloon here that you're trying to get is attached to. And this part of the game is to do with the bit in the film where Batman, well, the Joker has filled this all of the balloons with Smilex or whatever it is, and he plans to dump it all at the Gotham parade on everybody that's there and turn them all into his minions or kill people. I don't know what goes through the Joker's mind. I don't know. Mayhem, probably. And then Batman comes along with the bat wing and scoops them all up and releases them into the upper atmosphere where the gas is dissipated, and hopefully no seagulls were harmed in the making of the film. The thing is that if by modern standards the Batwing is not greatly manoeuvrable. It all just feels a bit clunky, and it's not like a flight simulator. But it looks good. I'll give it that. It's got a Thunderblade-esque kind of view, so you know it's pretty good. Now I just have to get the balloons. You can't really do this, get all 100 balloons, I don't think, in one life. Oh, so close. Ah, just on the last second, I did it. And then we go back to the awful last level. Well, not awful, I'm sure it's really good, but I'm just so awful at it. I'm going to play it for a bit, but then I'll probably give up, I'm afraid. Yeah, thanks for watching the second part of this ordeal. I have no idea what happened there. Oh, did the floor disappear? Oh, you know, as if you don't have enough to contend with on this level. Oh, grenade in the face, that's bad, even for Batman. Gotham City Cathedral, come and see the wonderful sights. Can I swing across there? No. Crumbling floor, you see? Oh. That's it. I'm sorry. I'm done. Thanks for watching again. Until next time, keep on gaming.